full team here. He's coming. Be careful. Boom. Green, you so fucking bad player, man.
Maybe.
Come, so shit.
I'm dead.
Nice, GG.
Who you call him a bad player?
No, pro gamer. Sorry for that, my boy. My bad.
It's okay. Oh, enemy! Enemy here!
Heads up, at that door.
Open,
Careful, orange.
Open, oh. Move away! Move away! Okay then.
You don't have a life, Green.
Are you safe?
But you don't have life. I took it.
I have life. Really? But thanks for the carry. I like that.
GG.
Doesn't even have light ammo.
I have for you, yeah? I drop for you.
Oh, it's coming! Here! One down.
Nice.
Behind, careful, I don't know.
One more. GG. Maybe one more. Be careful.
I was panicking, sorry.
GG. One more.
Probably there.
Okay.
Oh. Jump.
Down right.
Where is the guy dying here?
Jump down.
Hey. Somewhere's door open. I don't know where, but...
Here.
Oh, yeah.
He's up.
Barricade. There.
Oh, it's here. I'm shot. One down, one more.
Oh,
Where is the
enemy's back here.
It's here.
There.
Okay, one more. The last. On my ping.
Danger.
Oh,
Radar.
he's pushing me. He's the last. He's dead. Where is he?
Got him.
Down.
Got him.
GG. Oh, yes, it's here.
Look there.
He's here! Fucking hell, full team here. I'm dead. GG.
Get him.
One down.
Here.
Come, nobody's there.
Oh no.
I have to heal up. Sorry, can't check up though. Jack Lau, can you drop me another bandage? If you have enough.
Sure.
Oh, one guy. Oh my god, two guys here. One down, one more. Just the last. Oh, no, two guys. Sorry, two guys. He's one shot. Oh my god, he's one shot. He's moving up. One on the top and one here.
I will rush.
There's one left.
Nice.
Got them both.
Where is the rest?
I got them both. I got them all.
Whew.
Very nice game.
Hey, come pitch me though. I want you.
An arc orbiter is en route. The safe window is closing. 10 minutes to get out of there. I repeat, 10 minutes.
What did you say?
I just... Shit. I'm
Can
going
you
to invent-
Chait, can you bandage me so I'm not like
Wait.
one shot?
I didn't know. Thank you guys. Capicipito, I want you to tell me one more time I'm a bad player, please. In my face.
You are a bad player. Let's go.
Go, Chait, go!
Come. Okay, wait, come. Okay, cool.
Capicito, stop, here.
Yo.
No, it's too late. Here, I dropped it. You deserve it, man.
Oh, thank you, bro.
I'm going now.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You played like a real G, man. You saved Jack Lau and everything.